Hey everybody, I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about the Week 6 Open-Ended Math Prompt Response and Group Work Assessment. I wanted to make sure you were clear on what you needed to have turned in. So you are to complete the open-ended prompt between your first class and the next time we meet so that your group has something to evaluate, and obviously you'll be evaluating their work as well. So at the end of this, you will turn that prompt in for 4 points, and you will also turn in the prompt scores that your peers gave you. So there's two parts to that. To get the full 4 points, you need to turn in your answer and explanation, as well as the scores your peers gave you. The other part that you will need to turn in is the score that you gave your group each day for each of the group work rubrics, and I'll explain that again. But this was the prompt you were completing, just so you see it and you remember, but I also wanted you to think about the effort that you put into it. So this is not something you need to turn in, but something I would like you to consider. Would you rate your effort as a 4, a 3, a 2, or 1 based on what we discussed in class? If you're down here around a 2 or a 1, consider reattempting that problem. Then, each day after the group work, you're going to rate your group according to the rubrics below for group work, interpersonal skills, and group maintenance. Now, we've discussed all of these in class, so you can watch a playback for a clear explanation, but I included them here for your convenience. So the group work rubric, the interpersonal skills rubric, and the group maintenance rubric. So all told, there are 3 things you need to turn in: your completed individual prompt, your score that the group members gave you, the average score. Remember, if there are 3 people scoring you, they gave you a 2, 3.5, and a 3. Your average would be the total of those scores divided by the number of people for a total of 2.8. That's what you would turn in. Then you also need to turn in your rating for your group's work on all 3 of the rubrics for each day that you met. You can adapt this. You can copy and paste this directly from my Word document. Obviously, if you met Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you need to add a C to each of these and change Tuesday, Thursday to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So for a Tuesday, Thursday class, let's say for group maintenance, you gave your group a 3 on Tuesday and a 3.5 on Thursday. That's all you need to put in there. Interpersonal skills, Tuesday a 2, Thursday a 4. Group work, Tuesday a 1 and Thursday a 4. So all told, remember, you need to turn in your individually completed prompt, the score from your group. Also, you need to include the score you gave your group each day for each of the group work rubrics. Without all 3 of those, you cannot get the full points. And so I've reminded you again and again and again, those 3 elements must be turned in. Otherwise, you will not get full credit. And with your excellent work, I would like to see you getting that full credit. So guys, have a fantastic weekend. If you need anything, please let me know. If you need any points of clarification, I'll be happy to help. Do just let me know. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing your prompts and your scores.